We'll guide you through how to make a Notion dashboard. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser so you can get everything ready. After the window loads, go to the search bar at the top and type Notion, then press enter. From the results that appear, click the top web that looks right, which should take you to the official site of Notion. Once the page opens, look at the sidebar and click the plus button on the private section to add a new page. Inside the blank page, type /data so the quick menu appears, then select Table View from the choices. After that, select the option called New Empty Data Source to create your first table. When it loads, scroll below it and add a second data set by typing /data again. Choose Table View once more and select New Empty Data Source just like before. Now you have two tables. Give a name to each one so things stay clear. For example, you can name them To Do and Project List. When the names are set, go back to the To Do table. Click the plus button at the top and type Calendar. From the options that show up, select Calendar View so it becomes part of the same table. Type To Do again when it asks you to link it, so it connects correctly to the To Do table. Scroll down a bit and click Add a Date property so the calendar entries can use dates. Now return to the main To Do table and click Add Property. Select Checkbox from the list so you can mark items as done later. Click and drag the checkbox property to the left side of the table so it sits in the first column. Remove the name of the checkbox if you want it clean. Click Add Property again, but this time choose Relation. Use the search bar to type Project and then click the Project List table so both tables connect to each other. When the structure is done, move back to the top of the page and add your dashboard title so it looks complete. Under the title, click Add Cover to place a cover image. If you want a different one, click Change and pick the cover that you like from the options. This gives your dashboard a cleaner look. Once everything is saved, your setup is ready for use.